Good morning, class.
Good morning, Miss.
How is everybody this morning?
I am fine, thank you.
Okay, let's begin our lesson today by singing a song, right? Ready? Good. Begin. Let's start. Fraction, 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 fraction. Part of a whole, part of a whole. Denominator, fraction bar, fraction bar. One more time. Fraction, 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 fraction. Part of a whole, part of a whole. Denominator, fraction bar, fraction bar. Alright, that's it. Can anybody tell me what is fraction? Good, give a round of applause to the whole. Fraction is a part of a whole, right? Good. I'm going to show you the different parts of fractions, right? So I have here in my hand, what do you see here?
Watermelon.
What?
Watermelon.
Good, this is called
Watermelon.
fraction wheel, right? It's a model of a watermelon. So you see, what do you see here? Okay, numbers, seeds. Good. So we have different fractions in this watermelon here, right? So for example, if mommy buy a watermelon home and you have family to share watermelon, what you have to do with watermelon first? Remember, this is a whole, right? Watermelon is a whole, big one. It's not cut nothing. So I want to share with my family. What I have to do with this watermelon?
Cut it in half.
Good. Cut it in half. After, if I cut it in half and I have more family to share, what I have to do?
Cut it in third.
Cut it in what? Alright, good. Look here. I have 1 upon 8, 2 upon 8, 3 upon 8, 4 upon 8, 5 upon 8, 6 upon 8, 7 upon 8, 8 upon 8. Good. So I want to share my watermelon with my sister. So I'm going to cut it here. Good. So I cut how many pieces here? Good. 1 upon 8 is eaten already. So I have more friends coming. How many pieces I cut in? How many more pieces I cut in here? 2 upon 8. And then I have more friends. 3 upon 8.
4 upon 8. 5 upon 8. 5 upon 6 upon 8.
Good.
7 upon 8. 8 upon 8.
Like done. Right? So you eat it all. You share it all equally to your family. So that is called fraction. Good. So you now see what is the fraction with using watermelon, right? So when mommy bring her watermelon from farm, you must cut it into pieces. Equal pieces, right? So you will see the difference with the fraction. Good. So I have fraction chart here now. Using different fractions showing here. One paper here. How you call call this here?
A whole.
A whole.
Half.
Half.
Quarter.
No, this is not quarter. This is what here? Good. 1/3. Quarter or 1/4. 1/5. 1/6. 1/7. 1/8. Good. This is the different parts of a fraction showing you, right? Good. So we can also use real fruit. This is called what?
Orange.
Huh?
Orange.
This is orange. So tell me, what shape does orange have?
Circle.
A circle. Good. So I want to share with Marissa what I have to do with this orange.
Half.
I have to cut it into
Half.
half. You cut it in half here, and I share with Marissa. So you want more. So you want a piece. So what I have to do with this orange? So I have to cut off half of my orange and share it with Tony. It will become 1/3, right? So Tristan wants a share from Marissa now. So all 4 parts will become quarters. So orange can show you the fraction also, sharing along with your friends, right? All right, I'm going to share you the thing here now. Good. So everybody have the biscuit with them, right? Good. So you are going to show me the fraction using this biscuit here now. Can anybody tell me this is called what? Good. A whole. Good. After a whole, what I have to do with this biscuit here? Good. Show me the half with this biscuit now. Show me it. Holly, show me the half of this biscuit. Good. Very good, Tristan. That is called. So when you break this biscuit, it will become a half. This is called half. First, it was a whole. It was a whole with no pieces. So I want to share with my friends. So I have to break it into half. So 2 pieces will make half. So now I want to share with next friend, and I break it into next pieces. Break it. How many pieces you have there? How many pieces? 3. So that will be 1/what? 1/what? Third. Good. So I want to break a next piece. So how many pieces I have here? How many pieces biscuit I have here? Huh?
6.
How many pieces I have here? 4. Good. So 4 pieces become what? Quarters. Good. Very good. Quarters. So 4 pieces of the biscuit will make quarters. So now you understand what is fraction there, right? Use can use different things at home. Chalk paper here. So we are going to show you, I'm going to show you the different parts of the fraction. Good, so everybody have circles, right? Look here. So this is called what? A hole. And this is what shape here? A square. Good. So what I have to do, I want to share my square with my friend. So what I have to do is, I'm going to put it like this. So this, it becomes, how many pieces? Two pieces. So one piece becomes two pieces. Right? Good. So I want to share more with my friends now. How many pieces this one, the whole become? How many pieces? How many pieces are here? 4. So one piece become 4 pieces. First, it was what? A whole, and then it become half, and then it become what? Quarters. First, it was a whole, then it become half, and then it become quarters. So show me it on your circle. Show me the half. Show me the half. It's a half. Show me the half. Everybody put half. was a whole one piece, right?
Yes.
And then when I cut it into half, how many pieces I have there?
Two.
Huh?
Two.
Two. Good. So two pieces. So I want to have next two pieces more. It will become what? Four pieces. And that is called what? Quarters. Good. So now you know what is fraction, right? Now you know what is fraction? And also you can use fraction at home. Yeah, let's see mommy baking cassava bread. So when mommy baked cassava bread and she put it in half, that is called fractional. So you can use fraction with cassava bread. Good. So that is a part of a fraction, right? So fraction is a part of a whole. So from the whole you can break the things into different fractions. Good. So we are going to give you different worksheets using different fractions, right? Alright, good. So for this group 1, you are going to shade the following shape to show the fraction using real sun. So you are going to shade it using the sun, right? So you are going to use the sun here and shade the different parts of the fraction. You will start. Write your name. Good. For this group 2, you are going to use chalk paper to create the shape of fraction given. So you are going to create them. First, I can create a hole. You know what is hole? So you are going to create any shape, but you are going to create a hole. 2, I can create a half. So you are going to create a half. Number 2. Number 3, you are going to create a quarter. So you are going to create a quarter. So you must start. Good. So you are going to put the piece here. Now put piece. Right? What's here? Krista, what's here? So I'm going to use the piece. Use my piece. And what you have to do here, after when you put in place, you are going to spray the what? Sun. So you do it now. Do it now. Use sun. Don't use your hand, just use the sun from here. You can do the rest something. So do it just like how Tony doing it. So you will wait for it. You will wait for it dry, right? So then right, good. So let's wrap up. See what you have here. For this group 1, what you have to do is to shade the fractions, right? So you have 4 different fractions there. So everybody did it, right? Very good. For this group 2, you use chart paper to create different parts of fraction as well. Everybody complete?
Yes.
Very good. Good. So let's replace here. So we did different parts of fraction. So we can use fraction as a daily life as well. You can use fraction in school, you can use fraction at home, right? Or anywhere if you want to buy biscuit and all those things in the shop, you can use fraction of that as well. Good. So I have a diagram here. This is what here. This is what here.
Orange.
Huh? This is
Pizza.
pizza. Good. So how many parts do I have in this pizza here?
4.
4. Remember, a fraction is a part of a whole. A whole is here. Whole thing, big circle. So what I did here, I had to split this pizza into different fraction, right? So first, I want to share my pizza with Geronimo. So what I have to do with pizza?
Put it in half.
So I have to cut it in half. So Tony wants some. So I have to cut it in what? What do you have to do there?
Cut it in half.
Remember how many parts in there? First, I share with Geronimo. So pizza will become 2 parts, right?
Yes.
So two of the parts of this pizza. So it will be 2 parts. So you want a piece. How many pieces of pizza will be there? Huh? 3. Good. Very good. So the pizza will now turn into 3 pieces. So Gypsum wants the next piece. So how many pieces the pizza will have now?
4.
4. So here I have pizza showing the 4 parts of the pizza here, the fractions. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I split them into different fractions. So now you understand what is fraction? Yes or no?
Yes.
Good. So when you go back and practice your things using different things at home, right? It's a real life. You can use fruit, you can use food, you can use different things. You can use manipulative, blocks, weirs, all those things we can use using showing different pizza, right? Good. So I'm going to ask you, what is fraction?
Fraction is a part of a whole.
Good. A fraction is a part of a whole, right? So remember you sing a song, fraction, fraction. So we use 2 different songs there with denominator and numerator. So and we heard that fraction bar. So numerator is the top number and denominator is the bottom number. So we use those in the fraction as well. So any number going on top is called a numerator. So any number that's going at the bottom is called denominator. Right? So the line between the two numbers is called what? Fraction bar. What you know about fraction? What you understand about fraction? Okay, fraction is a part of a whole. Very good. If I show you this here, right? Look at this here again. You see different fractions here. We use the different numbers using different fractions, right? Isn't that? Good. So we started with a whole. Yes, we know a fraction is a part of a whole. Then we go into next half, 1/3, 1/4, 1/5, so you go on. So we can use fraction with different things. We can use it in our environment, at home, in school, all over.